Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how creators are earning up to $700 per day using threads in 2025 with simple posting strategies, bonus program and smart monetization. So make sure that you stick around till the end for the real tips you can start using today. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the step 1 of earning $700 per day is by using Meta bonus program. So Meta has introduced a bonus program that rewards the creator for engagement. If you are invited, you can earn money based on the views, interactions and how consistently you post. There are some creators who have reported earnings in hundreds per post. So if their content performs well, you can also earn $700 every single day with this program. Now, in order to qualify, your account needs to be public, it should be active and connected to a professional Instagram profile. There is no fixed followers count, but creators who post often and get regular engagement are more likely to get invited. You need to also focus on creating threads that educate, entertain, and inspire people. There are some of the topics like productivity tips, personal growth, or trending news do really well. So, more posts is equal to more chances for the bonus payouts. Now, in addition to the bonuses, there are many creators who have added affiliate links in their bios or partnered with brands. This extra source of income can bring your total closer to the $700 per day, especially if you build a loyal audience. So you need to track with the threads, get the most likes and replies, and repeat the style and the format that will increase your chances of getting higher payouts and participations. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to know how you can monetize your threads, just do let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.